I've seen so much bad done in the contracting business that it got to the point where I was like, I know I could make a difference in the home industry where nobody cheats each other. You don't have to go rip off people. You don't have to overcharge for a service. I mean, I know I'm not Superman, I'm not gonna save the world from bad contractors, but if I could help more clients protect themselves, I'm good with that. Andrea was my first daughter, and the first time I held her, the whole world literally stopped. I actually had a purpose. She gave me the spark, like, okay, go get it.
When he became a father, it was like something changed in him. Everything he wanted changed. It was so scary at the beginning because I was at home with 2 girls, and I'm like, how are we gonna do this?
At first, we were all young. We'd be like, oh, we're gonna be the next generation in this. And I'm like, next gen, like that's us, we're the next generation, right? I was just going out there knocking on doors. It was like a month into the business. And then I called my sister and I told her, look, I know it doesn't look like much here, but there's magic going on here.
I quit my job and he just said, let's start from here. And it was a lot of work, but he handled it really gracefully. He just had a plan in his head.
It was tough because at the beginning, other competitors started threatening the vendors like, oh, if you're gonna sell to Ismael, I'm gonna take my business somewhere else. I think that's when it clicked to me that, man, I do have something good.
Once it got rolling, it just kept growing and growing and growing. It just didn't stop.
One job became 2 and 3 and 4 jobs a day, and 5 months into it, we went and got our first shop, and that was when it felt really good. Nexgen felt like a real company. Like I had a little group of people, and all those people, they still love working here.
I'm Ashley. I'm the office manager here at Nexgen Air, and I've been here with Ish since the beginning. He has drive like no one I've ever met. He had his sister working in the office, I think one other girl, and he had like 5 installers. And he's like, I just want you to know that by next year, we're gonna be the biggest company. And I was like, oh, is that right? Because I like a little bit of a challenge too, so I was like, I like this guy. So we did it, and now here we are.
Daikin, which is the biggest heating and air conditioning manufacturer in the whole world, when they came up to me and they said, hey, we haven't done this for anybody. We feel like Nexgen, because of the image, because of the customer service that we've provided, we're gonna build a unit especially for Southern California. We wanna put your name on it, and we want you to go out there and put a lifetime warranty behind it. So when they came up to me, that was huge.
Putting the X logo on these units was really everything. He just wanted to build a brand that people can trust, and just seeing it on the unit would make you want that brand.
I do believe in the brand. I know we are the best. I go home at night feeling good that I do work for a company that does give back and does stand behind the word.
God is blessing me every single day. My team, my company, my wife, my girls. The whole idea behind Project X was, I don't think it's fair for me to keep getting blessed without giving it to other people.
Project X is a program that we have here at Nexgen Air that provides systems to people in need.
When we get out there and we do something out of the kindness of our heart, nothing in return. The energy that you get when you get there, the emotional roller coaster, the reaction from the consumers.
Nexgen putting this new AC, it resonates in me and my family, and I think it's just amazing.
This is life-changing for us. It's awesome that they would just pick a family, especially a veteran family, and just do something like this for us.
I want to say thank you to Nexgen and Ismael from the bottom of my heart and my families.
It takes me back to those times that me and my family would struggle through. Never in my life did I think like one day I'm gonna be able to help people, you know? So it takes me back to that.
Joining us on the field, Nexgen Air CEO and founder Ismael Valdez.
When did he ever think you were gonna be at the Angel Stadium? His logo was gonna be next to like Coca-Cola, and now there's like 100 people here. So thankful to be working for him. He's like, I need help and keep helping people, and we're gonna help this person do this, and we're gonna help this person do that as we grow with them.
Nexgen Air is like a family, and they're like an actual family. So I promise myself that no matter how big we get, no matter how many employees we get, I want to interview every single employer. And that's the one rule I stand by here. Because I just want to make sure they're good people. We'll teach them the rest. If I could change the slogan, yeah, that would be it. Like Nexgen, just good people.